Is your Canon camera beeping every time you touch the screen? It can get pretty irritating, especially when you're shooting in quiet environments. The good news is, turning off that sound only takes a few seconds. Let's do it together. First, turn on your Canon camera, then press the menu button. Now select beep under the image quality option. Now click on it. After that, you will see three options right here, like enable, touch to mute, and disable. To specifically turn off the touchscreen beep while potentially keeping other beeps, you need to choose touch to mute. Select it, then click the set button, and it's done. Now your camera should be free from any beeping when you touch the LCD screen. And that's all there is to it. You successfully turned off the beep sound on your Canon camera. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.